Overall, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter is a versatile van that offers a variety of configuration and powertrain options. This van is designed to meet the needs of both business and personal users, and it offers an impressive combination of performance, comfort, and safety features. Welcome to the Sytoxcar channel. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter is a versatile van that offers a variety of configuration and powertrain options. This van is designed to meet the needs of both business and personal users, and it offers an impressive combination of performance, comfort, and safety features. The exterior. The 2025 Sprinter has a more modern and aggressive design than its predecessor. This van has a large front grille with a prominent Mercedes-Benz logo and sleek LED headlights. The Sprinter is also available with a variety of wheel options, including 16 to 18-inch aluminum wheels. The 2025 Sprinter interior offers spacious and comfortable accommodations. This van has comfortable seats with adjustable headrests and a sophisticated infotainment system with a 10.25-inch touchscreen display. The Sprinter is also available with a variety of luxury features, such as a Harman Kardon audio system, leather seats, and a sunroof. For performance. The 2025 Sprinter is available with a variety of engine options, including a turbocharged 2.0-liter diesel engine, a turbocharged 3.0-liter diesel engine, and a turbocharged 2.0-liter gasoline engine. The 2.0-liter diesel engine produces 168 horsepower and 265 lb-ft of torque. The 3.0-liter diesel engine produces 258 horsepower and 443 lb-ft of torque, and the 2.0-liter gasoline engine produces 221 horsepower and 258 lb-ft of torque. The Sprinter is available with rear-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. Safety features. The 2025 Sprinter is equipped with a variety of safety features, including electronic stability control, traction control, and anti-lock brakes. This van is also available with a variety of optional safety features, such as driver assistance systems, such as adaptive cruise control, active lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring. For the price. The starting MSRP for the 2025 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter is $35,000. This van is available in a variety of configuration options, so the final price may vary. Thank you for watching. Please criticize and suggest. If there is any wrong information that I have conveyed, please tell me in the comments column.